Hey, this is David. Today I'm doing a review on this Radio Flyer Ride-On Bike. To start off, one thing I like about this is the build quality. It's made out of a durable plastic that's red in color. It's very easy to keep clean just by wiping it down. This is 22.5 inches long. It's very easy to store when it's not in use. This is propelled by pedaling. It's able to hold up to 42 pounds. To me, this is a huge plus. In closing, I'm very happy with this bike. This is something that I would definitely recommend. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.